Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here's a real history lesson. We have a 1915 Buick model 25C. This car is over 100 years old and it is gorgeous and it runs so nice. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures. That's where you find prices on all 200 of the collector cars that we offer for sale right now. volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car is just beautiful. Again, it's over 100 years old. I'm not going to claim to be an expert on 1915 Buicks, but it's beautiful to look at. The white walls and the varnished spokes and the black paint, genuine leather upholstery. What a nice car. Underneath the car, it's obvious it's been all apart and restored. All the chassis components, the axles and everything is clean, painted a semi-gloss black. These have brakes in the back only. There's none in the front. Does have a gear-driven speedometer cable that goes to the front wheel that tells you how fast you're going inside the car. It's got an exhaust system on there that has like a valve that opens. There's a lever on the floor. I think that might just be to make some sort of whistle or chirping sound, I'm guessing. But when we start it towards the end of the video, I'll try that out. You look at the bottom of the motor, the oil pan is nice, the transmission is nice. Again, all the components are real good. The bottom of the car is actually wood, so the wood's all redone and solid. And again, professional restoration. This body is like glass. This is a mirror. It's not some old car someone did as a hobby in their garage and it's lumpy and wavy. This is straight. All the fenders, the splash pans, the doors, the whole body, everything. The hood is all clean, straight metal. No rust, no damage, no problem areas. And the paint, again, is like glass. Up front, got the original style headlights. These open up. They're re-chromed. Lenses are nice. Has 1915 license plate. Restored. The VIN number tag is riveted on top of the frame. Pretty cool because there's a tag inside the car. It says when you bring the car in for service, refer to the VIN number on the front frame. And I walked up here and there's the VIN number. Again, white wall tires. Big, tall tires too. Model T were not this big. Really nice shape, spoked wheels. Nice black canvas cloth top. It does not have any side curtains that I'm aware of. The doors open and close really well too. They fit nice, which means they're a good solid body. It's not a rotten. A lot of this has wood structure. When the wood's rotten, then things like the doors don't work right. It actually says stop on the tail light. You have a spare, and someone's added an extra light. Now, you always had a spare in these old cars because remember what the roads were like back then, if they even were considered roads. And I mentioned earlier, this is actual leather, and it's soft. It's button tufted just like it should be, front and back, and everything's upholstered. The door panels, there's actual pockets on each back door. The rear compartment's carpeted. It has a laminate floor in front. The dash is beautiful. It's a nice solid wood with the original buttons and gauges. It has like a thing with all different colors that light up to let you know the lights are on. You got a speedometer, ignition. The engine is a 4-cylinder. I think it's 28 horsepower. There's an actual oil can here, and there's different little red caps. You'll look at our pictures, and you can unscrew each of those red caps, and that's where you oil things on a regular basis. Got a horn. The wiring looks real good. You might notice I put a rag underneath there. It's leaking some antifreeze at the water pump. It's just the bushing, so we will be fixing that. So just a neat old car to look at. Go around town, take some of the back roads, go get some ice cream. it's history. It's just very interesting. And this one's really well done. There's a toolbox, a metal toolbox here with some old tools. Actually has a crank if you ever had to hand crank the car. But this does have electric start. It'll start up on its own. Nice wood steering wheel. So there you go. That's my impression of this car. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I have volocars.com. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They'll help you with that. You can also get it delivered anywhere. You can even help get it financed. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.